friends, in this video we are going to learn how to add a cover photo in Google My Business listing, or how to change a cover photo in Google My Business listing. As you can see, I have searched for my business name, or you can search for my business right on Google using the same Gmail account from which you have created the Google My Business listing. And here we get an option of photos. We will click on this, and here we will get an option of adding a cover photo, right? You can also add a logo as well. You just need to click on this, and you can select image from your system, and you can simply upload, and that particular image would be used as a cover image of your Google My Business listing. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check out our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.